This is a 2005 Seat Leon FR TDI. The problem we have here is that the ashtray doesn't close. This bothers me. I used to have one of these cars in petrol and the ashtray used to close and I want it to. Now, it's the same part and procedure on any Mark 1 Seat Leons, whether it's a 1.4 petrol or 1.8 turbo Cupra or a 1.9 TDI, or this FR. So what we're going to do is just take this apart, have a look at what the problem is. If it can be fixed, we'll fix it. If it can't, we will simply replace it. Okay, now to get in here, it's very simple actually. It's just one screw. So I'm going to initially remove this cigarette lighter, leave it to the side, and now I'm going to get under here with my Phillips head screwdriver and just open that up. Come out. There we go. Just loosen it up. Just keep the screw safe somewhere. Now you can see this wire at the back. That feeds into the cigarette lighter, which is built into the ashtray on these things. We want to unclip this, and to do that, this little plastic clip you have here, on the back of this, where my finger is now, there's a little thing to push and pull out. So I'm just going to do that here. That's off. And now we have the part. Yeah, it's broken. Okay, don't know how well you can see this, but right at the back, where my finger is there should be a tiny little thing. Yeah, I can see it's broken off. It should be a tiny little hook. And it was perhaps design problem by, say, this tiny little hook pushes this mechanism there. That's broken off in this one, and I don't have it, so that's a replacement job. Luckily, we have a replacement here. This is from, I think, a 1.6 Seat, and if you look inside the mechanism there, there you go. You can see the difference. Let me put my finger in the same spot there. You see that little black thing? That's what was broken on my Seat, and that's the little thing which pushes this and causes it to close and works the mechanism in there. It's maybe 5 millimeters long, so it's quite fragile, but this one you can see shuts because it still has that part. So let's reassemble and just move the spare cigarette lighter out of the way. So again, same procedure. I'm probably for a second and get this in here. So this should just clip in there with relative ease. That's that. And now you have this little hook over here, and there's one at the back somewhere, right at the back, and that feeds into these holes in here. So let's get that in place. You just have to line up the top and just slide the whole thing in. Oops, sorry, there we go. Yep, slide the whole thing in like that. It should hold actually, yep. Oops, okay, maybe not. Now we need to screw it back in place. Yeah, it's a bit tricky with one hand and one thumb, but let's try it. Let's just get that screw in there. And tighten it up. Okay, that's now nice and tight. And we now have a working ashtray. That was beginning to bother me, so I'm glad that that's fixed. I'll just clean this up for you a little here. yeah, working ashtray, easy. Now, if that mechanism that was broken on my old one over here could be fixed, yeah. So if you had that little part still, mine's broken off, you could super glue it back on somewhere somehow, and that could potentially fix it. But for me, this part was already missing when I got the car, and it did bother me, so I've replaced it, and now I've got a working ashtray.